Have you been searching for a large, updated home in a great location? This beautiful, historic home near Foster Park and the GE Electric Works campus is waiting for you. Many updates have been made that preserve the historic feel while seamlessly adding desirable modern amenities. You'll love spending time cooking in the stunning kitchen with all white cabinets, stainless steel appliances, beautiful tile backsplash, and a breakfast bar. The dining room has a gorgeous bay window that brings in natural light and features a nook that could be used as a window seat. The living room boasts a charming fireplace with hardwood and stone mixed facade, and on the main level, the bedroom is currently being used as additional living space. The family room has a gorgeous beamed ceiling that opens the space and adds dimension. The white brick wall with an electric fireplace and floating mantel brings contemporary look to the room. Off the family room is a library or den with built-in shelves that are ideal for the collector to store their prized possessions. Upstairs, there are 3 sizable bedrooms, and the home has 1.5 baths. For even more space to entertain, there is a large 3-season room where you can enjoy the sunshine and fresh air while being covered from the elements in the colder months. Come and check out this amazing home. Call Mike Patmore today.